Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to master cutting, copying, and pasting objects in Draw.io, specifically for Atlassian Confluence and Jira. By the end of this video, you'll know not just the basic shortcuts, but a few power user tricks for quickly moving, duplicating, and styling shapes in your diagrams. This will seriously speed up your workflow and keep your projects nice and tidy, whether you're mapping out processes, brainstorming, or building technical diagrams. Let's dive right in. First up, when you're working inside Confluence or Jira, you don't need to go digging for an external app. There's actually a built-in diagramming tool powered by Draw.io. To access it, just type / then whiteboard or diagram into the page editor. This pulls up the editor window and you're ready to start creating without ever leaving your page. Super easy. Now let's look at the bread and butter. Cutting, copying, and pasting shapes. Start by clicking to select the object or objects you want to move or duplicate. And if you need to select more than one, you can usually hold Shift and click each shape, just like you would with files on your desktop. If you want to actually *move a shape somewhere else, the shortcut you'll use is Ctrl+X on Windows or CMD+X on Mac. Think of it as cutting it right out of the diagram. It vanishes from where it was, but don't panic. It's now sitting safely on your clipboard, ready to be pasted, so you haven't lost anything. If you'd rather just copy * something, maybe you want a second version or several repeated elements, just use Ctrl+C or CMD+C. Draw.io will remember the selected shapes, including all their details. And to bring your cut or copied item right back in, hit Ctrl+V or CMD+V. The item will show up at your cursor position, or sometimes centered in the canvas, depending on where your focus is. If it pops in somewhere unexpected, just drag it to where you need it. Don't worry if it looks a bit out of place, that happens, it's quick to adjust. Let's step it up a bit. If you're working quickly and need an exact copy in place, there's a trick. With your shape selected, simply hit Ctrl+D or press Enter. This will create an identical object, often right on top of the original, like using a stamp. This is super helpful if you need a row of shapes, just keep hitting D and nudge them into alignment. There's also a nifty cloning shortcut. Imagine you're mapping a flowchart and want to create and connect a new step in one move. Hold Ctrl or CMD and drag a blue connector arrow from your selected shape. You'll not only get a new, identical shape, but it's automatically connected and neatly positioned, kind of like growing branches on your diagram, one at a time. It saves a ton of clicking and dragging. What if you want to copy just the *look * of a shape? Maybe you've spent time getting just the right color or line style and want other shapes to match. You can actually copy and paste styles, not just the shapes. Select the shape with the style you like and press Alt+C that tells Draw.io, hey, grab all these style settings. Then select your new target shape and press Alt+V. Instantly the style updates to match, like using a paint roller to make everything consistent with zero guesswork. Finally, sometimes you might want to move or duplicate an * entire diagram. Open the diagram in Draw.io, press Ctrl or CMD+A to select * everything *, then Ctrl/CMD+C to copy it. In your new Confluence or Jira diagram, just paste it in with Ctrl/CMD+V. It's that easy to migrate or back up a whole workflow. And there you have it, a full set of shortcuts for cutting, copying, pasting, and cloning objects in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. Try these out and you'll find your diagrams come together so much faster with less hassle. If this video helped you, give it a like, and if you have any questions or want to share your own favorite shortcuts, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.